Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Xiaomi 14, a compact powerhouse in the Android smartphone landscape. Let's see if this smaller-sized device can compete with the big flagships out there. First off, the Xiaomi 14 sports a 6.36-inch OLED display with a resolution that sits between FHD and QHD, offering crisp visuals with an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 to 120 Hz. It's built with Gorilla Glass Victus for durability and boasts a sleek design, reminiscent of certain Apple aesthetics but with a rounded back for better grip. Now, let's talk cameras. Despite its compact size, the Xiaomi 14 impresses with a triple 50 megapixels camera setup on the rear main, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses enhanced by Leica for vivid color profiles and professional settings. The 32 megapixels front camera ensures sharp selfies, though it may lack a bit in bokeh effect compared to some competitors. Under the hood, it's powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset paired with 12GB of RAM, offering robust performance suitable for multitasking and demanding applications. Storage options range from 256GB to 512GB, accommodating plenty of apps, photos, and videos. Battery life is handled by a 4610 mAh cell, providing decent longevity, although not class-leading. Where it really shines is in charging speed. A 90W wired charger juices up the Xiaomi 14 to 80% in just 30 minutes, making it one of the fastest in its class. On the software front, it runs Android 14 with Xiaomi's Hyper OS. While visually similar to MyUI, it introduces a revamped quick settings menu and enhanced connectivity features. However, it currently lacks standout new software innovations seen in some competitors. In conclusion, the Xiaomi 14 offers a compelling package for users seeking flagship features in a smaller form factor. Despite its unavailability in the US, its standout camera capabilities, fast charging, and solid performance make it a worthy contender in the premium smartphone market. That wraps up our review of the Xiaomi 14. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.